Hi, Jake with Diode. Today in the garage, we're going to be showing you the installation procedures for upgrading your Sidemarker bulbs on the 2019 and up Ford Ranger with our LED replacements. Now, this is a small, inexpensive upgrade that makes a big difference in the overall appearance of your truck. Installation is plug and play and only takes a few minutes using basic hand tools. Let's get started. All right, to get started, we're going to remove 3 plastic rivets from the underside of the fender. One right here in front of the tire, a second one just above it, and then a third on the outer edge of the fender right here on the actual metal. Now to get these out, you're going to unscrew them a little bit with a Phillips head screwdriver and then pry them the rest of the way out with a plastic trim removal tool. With those clips out of the way, go ahead and peel back this fender liner. And then you can reach back behind and turn counterclockwise to remove the stock Sidemarker bulb. Then simply insert your LED upgrade. Before you reinsert the bulb into the housing, it's a good idea to go ahead and check for polarity and make sure that the bulb is functioning properly. If the bulb does not turn on immediately, disconnect it, rotate the connector 180 degrees, and reconnect it. With that new bulb in place, you can go ahead and tuck the fender liner back and then re-secure those 3 plastic clips. Then you'll repeat all the same steps on the other side to finalize your installation. With your new LED Sidemarker bulbs installed, you'll be more visible on the road thanks to the increased light output. These are available right now on diodedynamics.com, so click the link below for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.